Okay, so here we are. We're heading back to Chilliwack. It's December 20th, and it's around 10:30. We were planning to go to Hornby to do some milling, and I've got a hold of Steve the miller, and he's still stuck up in Terrace. So we decided, considering that our 7:45 Tsawwassen to Dew Point ferry was canceled, we've decided to abort this mission and try milling in January, probably around the 6th, 7th, or 8th. As you can see, it's not so bad here. We're on the perimeter highway heading back towards Surrey, Langley. But this morning I picked up Connor. What? Nice hat. Thank you. Picked up Connor this morning at around 5:30, and it was treacherous. There's probably a foot of snow, I think, that fell overnight, and that drive between Chilliwack and Abbotsford, that was a white knuckler. So yeah, a little bit disappointing. We got all the food with us and all our gear here, and yeah, but it's just not enough time to get to the island and do what we need to do. And